Hello everyone, today I will show you how to open a Google account on Android device. So first of all, we are going to the setting option. Then click the account system. Then click the add account system. You can see how many categories account they have. But we are opening a Google account, so click the Google. Just loading. You can see that corner side has create account. We can see two categories account we can open. First is for myself, second is to manage my business. We choose for myself, then click next. Then enter your first name and last name. Click next. Then enter your birthday and gender, month, date, year. If you are female, choose female, or if you are male, choose male. Enter your email address. Click next. Then choose your password. Enter password and re-enter password. Then click next. Then click next. Click I agree. You can see your account is open. It is your account. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates.